Yes, sir. Throw them M's up, man. We in the M town. Stop playing with me. Horse truck nasty. Yellow caliber. Big boy cyber truck, man, while I'm out grinding. Boy pulling up to that Tesla port. We outside, cuz on the Saturday. Don't stop. Getting to the bread. You should do the sign. If you sign. You know what I mean? Get ready to go by the University of Memphis. Do this little lecture on psychology, you know what I mean? Get this bread. Grind, grind, grind. Then shine, shine, shine. You know how it goes. Stop playing. On my way to the U of M, cuz. Don't hit nothing you can't pay for, little mama back there. Headed to the U of M, man, you know what I mean? Look at him, poo-poo. Yes, sir. Riding on the Saturday, grinding. Botanical garden, you know what I mean? It's a beautiful day out here, that's all I can tell you, man. It's beautiful. The Left Witch Tennis Center, University of Memphis joint, multi-million-dollar facility. Multi-million-dollar facility. Dawes Pavilion. We outside, cuz. This boy got the baby hikers out today. Yes, sir. That boy clean. Yes, sir. And we've arrived. U of M, baby. R.I.P. to Hunter Harrison, man. Let y'all tag along, man, while I'm vlogging. POV vlogging, man. From my point of view. You see what I see, man. You don't need to see me, man. Just know I'm here. Little baby. I've arrived, kids. Ride with me. See the university. We here on a Saturday night. It's just how they come. The grind don't stop, man. What she think she doing? They recording something. Yep, he got a camera. She doing a photo shoot. I like that rig he had. That one was hard. Yes, sir. Throw them M's up, man. We in the M town. Stop playing with me. Here we go again. They need to fix this street. This child regular or something. She look like she do not want to be here on the Saturday. What they doing on the ground right there?
Maybe a project.
They couldn't get one that wasn't on the ground. Get this premium access, man, to the back. Coming through the back door of this thing, man. Y'all don't know nothing about that back door access, cuz. And I'm on campus. Yes, sir. You see it. Backdoor access, cuz. Y'all don't know nothing about me. But we gonna learn each other along the way, along my journey. Told y'all my grind be having me everywhere, man. My grind don't stop at all. Care nothing about no weekdays. I don't need no days off, man. Just record my life, man. It's the easiest thing in the world. You know, I'm out here, man, on the university campus. About to get this good lecture. Let y'all see that good blue. That good blue water found over there, man. You see it's blue. Yeah. I'm on land. Let me zoom it in for y'all, cause this far as I'ma walk. I won't let me zoom like that. I bet I get back with y'all in a minute. In the alleyways, man. On land. On my grind. Big boy tour bus boy. He clean. He clean with the big bucks. Big wheels, man. Big air ride. Yes, sir. Big air ride. Action Noon 5 on the scene, and I am too, man. You know what I'm saying? Boy, got the big satellites up on top, man. All this type of stuff interests me, man. They need to replace that. Riding out, cats. Home of the Tigers. Outside, cuz, still making moves. Still moving through the city. Damn, my windows dirty in the 7th.